Prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell are the cells that do not have a true nucleus and membrane bound or. What is prokaryotic cell? Prokaryotic cells are a single cell microorganism known to be earliest on earth. Prokaryotic include bacteria, archaea and photosynthesis. The photosynthesis prokaryotic include cyanobacteria that perform photosynthesis. A prokaryotic cell consists of single membrane and therefore all the reactions occur within the cytoplasm. They can be free living parasites. Characteristic of prokaryotic cell. The lack nuclear membrane, and for second, mitochondria, Golgi bodies, chloroplast and lysosomes are absent. The genetic material is present on the single chromosomes. Then the histone proteins, the important constituent of eukaryotic chromosomes, are lacking in them. The cell wall is made up of carbohydrates and amino acids. The plasma membrane acts the mitochondrial membrane carrying respiratory enzymes. They divided asexually by binary fission, and sexual mode of the reproduction involve conjugations. Structure of prokaryotic cell. Prokaryotic cell does not have a nuclear membrane. However, the genetic material is present in a region in the cytoplasm known as the nucleotide. They may be spherical, rod-shaped or spiral. A prokaryotic cell structure is as follows. First, capsule. It is an outer protective covering found in the bacterial cells in addition to the cell wall. It helps in the moisture retention, protects the cell when engulfed, and help in the attachment of the cell to nutrients and surfaces. Second, cell wall. It is a outermost layer of the cell which gives a shape to the cell. Third, cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is mainly composed of enzymes, salt, cells organelles, and is a gel-like components. Cell membrane. Fourth is cell membrane. This layer surrounds the cytoplasm and regulates the entry and exit of substance in the cells. Fifth is pili. These are a hair-like structure that attach to the surface to the bacterial cells. Next is plasmids. Plasmids are non-chromosomal DNA structure. These are not involved in the reproduction. Next, nucleoid region. It is a region in the cytoplasm where the genetic material is present. A prokaryotic cell lacks certain granules like mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi bodies. Prokaryotic cell. Components of prokaryotic cells. The prokaryotic cells have four main components. Plasma membrane. It is an outer protective covering of phospholipids molecules which separate the cell from the surrounding environment. Cytoplasm. It is a jelly-like substance present inside the cell. All the cell's organelles are suspended in it. Next is DNA. It is a genetic material of the cell. All prokaryotic possesses a circular DNA. It directs what protein the cell creates. It also regulates the action of the cells. Next is ribosomes. Protein synthesis occurs here. Some prokaryotic cell possesses cilia and flagella which helps in locomotion. Reproduction in prokaryotic cells. Prokaryotic reproduces in two ways, sexually and sexually. Binary fission. Sexually is also called as binary fission and sexually is also called as conjugation. The first is binary fission. A DNA of organism replicates the new copies attached to the cell membrane. The cell walls start increasing in size and start moving inwards. A cell wall is then formed between each DNA, dividing the cell into two daughter cells. Next is recombination. In this process, genes from one bacteria are transferred to the genome of the other bacteria. It takes place in three ways: conjugation, transformation, and transduction. Example of prokaryotic cells. There are many examples of prokaryotic cells such as bacterial cells. These cells are unicellular organisms found everywhere on earth from soil to the human body. They have different shapes and structures. The cell wall is composed of a peptidoglycan that provides structure to the cell wall. Bacteria have some unique structure such as pili, flagella and capsules. They also possess extra chromosomal DNA known as plasmids. They have the ability to form tough dormant structures known as endospores that helps them to survive under the unfavorable conditions. The endospores become active when the conditions are favorable again. Next is archaeal cells. Archaeobacteria are unicellular organisms similar to bacteria in shape and size. They found they are found in extreme environments such as hot spring and other places such as soil, marshes, and even inside the humans. They have a cell wall and flagella. The cell wall of archaea does not contain peptidoglycan. The membrane of the archaea have different lipid with completely different stereochemistry. Just like bacteria, archaea have one circular chromosome. They also possesses plasmids. For more thank you. For more information, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.